Hello and welcome to Lesson 12, page 82. This is the song titled Hear the Wind Blow, Piano Part 4 in our pre-level 1 book. And this is the last piano part of our ensemble for Hear the Wind Blow. Way to make it to the final part. And just like our last piano part 3, this one only uses 3 notes. So I'm sure you're more than familiar with the structure of our song with all of our half notes and our whole note at the end of the song. So let's take a quick look at the 3 notes we need to use today. Then we'll go line by line and get to our performances. So up first we have E, F, and G. Kind of an interesting group of notes between our group of 2 and group of 3 black keys. Let's start by finding an E. Here's my group of 2 black keys, and E is the 1, 2, 3, third white key under our group of 2 black keys. There's our E. And now we're moving to our group of 3 black keys to find F, our front door, or our first white key, and next to that F is the last note we're going to need, G. So again, we're at the end of our group of 2 black keys on E, then we just go up 1 note each to F and G. I'm going to use the same hand position I did in piano part 3 with 1 finger on E, 2 fingers on F and G. Now you can take 3 fingers and place it on the notes like this, or you could use 1 finger with this song if that's what you're most comfortable with. But remember, I encourage you to try covering all the notes that you need for the song so you can always keep your eyes up on the music. Okay, let's do some 1, 2, me, then you with our notes and then get started on our song. 1, 2, me, then you. Play an E. Now an F. Now a G. How about back to F? Now E. Now G. Now F. And E. Great work. And we kind of played our first line in that 1, 2, me, then you. That happens sometimes, but it looks like with our half notes starting in the first line, we have E for 2, F for 2, G for 2, then back to F. So starting on E, we just move up 1 note each, up all the way up to G. Once you get to G, turn back around and go to F. Let's try that first line together nice and slow. Line number 1. 1, 2, first line, play, play. E for 2, now F for 2, and G for 2, back to F for 2, and off. Fabulous job. And moving on down to line number 2, we just have E, F, E, F. So just going back and forth between E and F. Okay? Let's try line number 2. Hands ready. 1, 2, here we go. Play E for 2 and F for 2. Back to E for 2 and F for 2 and off. Okay, already on that third line, which is the same as the first. Look at that pattern. So E, F, G, F. Hands ready to play that third line. 1, 2, third line, go. Play E for 2 and F for 2. Now G for 2, back to F for 2 and off. Great work. Moving to our last line, can't believe we fly through these parts this fast, but when you repeat the same rhythms, I guess that happens. We just do E, F, E again, kind of like on our second line, but we have a whole note to end the song. Remember, those whole notes get 4 beats. Our half notes get 2 beats. Let's try the last line together. E, F, E. 1, 2. Last line, play, play. E for 2. Now F for 2. And E, 2, 3, 4, and off. Great work. We are ready for our first full performance of Hear the Wind Blow. Let's go back to our first line. Hands ready. 1, 2. Here we go. Play. E for 2. Down. F for 2. And G for 2. Back to F for 2. Second line. E for 2. Now F for 2. And E for 2. Back to F. Third line. Play. E for 2. Now F for 2. And G for 2. Back to F. Last line. Play. E for 2. And F for 2. And finally E, 2, 3, 4, and off. Way to go on your first full performance of Hear the Wind Blow, and let's do our slightly faster speed. Hands ready. 1, 2, here we go. Play. E for 2, F for 2, G for 2, F for 2, E for 2, F for 2, E for 2, F for 2. Third line. E for 2, F for 2, G for 2, F. Last line. E for 2, F for 2, E, 2, 3, 4, and off. Congratulations on completing Hear the Wind Blow Piano Part 4, and also another big congrats from getting through every part of our ensemble to this point. And I'll see you guys on the next song.